Welcome everyone, the Serious War Gamer here. Well, here's another one of these kind of odd, bizarre, and freaky toys from Playmobil about to be released through the Violet Vale line of toys that connect with their Novelmore set, which is kind of a medieval play sets that are hooked up to or inspired by the Game of Thrones. Well, here's the demon cart, which is another kind of fascinating thing. I will have an unboxing of all these in a couple of weeks when these are actually officially released and shipped. But you can see from this actual artwork here, the strange demon that's in front, these kind of wagons, and of course these they have wagons with all their lines, so this is kind of just a variance of it. They're not all that original at Playmobil, very typical of the Germans, just as their other sets are kind of modifications. But they've added a lot of these kind of wizardy demon type things, kind of Harry Potter, Game of Thrones, interesting variants here. So these are kind of, very unusual and interesting. Unfortunately, Playmobil is still stuck with their goofy little figures, which they have decorated very nicely, but they got these goofy little heads, and you have to really wonder what's wrong with this company that they continue to produce this like they've done since 1975, I believe. But this is another cool set. Stay tuned for an unboxing to come soon.